Hi, this is TomReardon, math teacher from Ohio, answering the question, why TINspire CX? Here we're going to look at easy data collection with the Vernier DataQuest app. TINspire CX, the handheld and the software, are now in color. Why TINspire CX touchpad? It is a learning tool and a teaching tool. It is no longer just a graphing calculator, and now it's in color. One of the things that science and math teachers need to do is to collect real-world data. Up until now, that has been difficult. With TINspire and the brand new Vernier DataQuest app, students can now easily collect and analyze data. Watch. We're going to emulate the walk the line activity using the CBR2 with the TINspire CX. We are simulating this with the software, but the handheld will behave very similarly. As soon as I plugged in my CBR2, this is the screen that came up. It automatically recognized the CBR2 and is ready to collect data. When I click on the graph, this is a graph that I had drawn, and I'm going to ask my students to walk that graph. I'll show you a little bit later how I was able to do that, how I was able to create that picture there. In a few seconds, I'm going to try to match that graph. So when I press the green button, it'll start collect data in blue. So see what happens. And it wasn't too bad. I would like to have done better, especially since this is going to be on the web, but I'll take that for right now. What I like about this activity is, first of all, you'll notice that these are 2-second time chunks, 2, 4, 6, 8 seconds. And the student has to realize it starts about 1 foot away, stays there for 2 seconds, then goes up to about 2 feet away, stays there for another 2 seconds, and then goes to about 1.5 feet away, and that's the end of that experiment. This is very, very key for students to be able to interpret graphs here, position versus time. Let me show you how easily it is to draw the graph that I want the students to walk. I'll go ahead and right-click here and say Draw Prediction. I'll start at 2 feet, put a point at 2 feet, and for the first 2 seconds, just stay there at 2 feet. Then go up to, say, 4 feet from the second to the third second. Stay there for a second, and then come back down to about one foot at the end of the 5 seconds. I really like being able to pick what I want my students to walk. I could also do velocity versus time for a little bit more advanced students, but I have that choice there. So here are a couple of screenshots, and I didn't point this out, but we have 3 views really in it. We have meter view, graph view, and table view. The data is shown in a table as well. And other data that can be collected, graphed, and analyzed. These are some of the other probes that you can use and what you can collect. And this concludes the video.